And now let's pick up our heels with some proper Scottish ceilidh music. The Occasionals were formed 40 years ago by Freeland Barber, Gus Miller and Kevin MacLeod. They currently include Malcolm Jones, formerly of Runrig, and fiddler Myrie Campbell. They've played on Radio Scotland's Take the Floor at least 12 times. I think they have reward cards with lots of points on them. Take the Floor is now hosted by Gary Innes and it showcases dance music, and there are dancers literally on the floor during the performances doing Strip the Willows, Gay Gordons, etc. So from their Celtic Connection special, here are the Occasionals with a Britannia two-step set. Oh Joe, The Boats Are Going Over, Salute to the Church Barn Squeezers, Salute to John Kirkpatrick. Well, they like that one. Funny to think of them in the modernist foyer of Pacific Quay and not some remote baronial dance hall. But those were the Occasionals and dancers with Britannia two-step set live. You can find Take the Floor on BBC Sounds or Radio Scotland on Saturday nights. More music from Celtic Connections live later on.